Hi! Today I'll show you how to properly use a manual breast pump to express breast milk comfortably and efficiently. A manual breast pump is a simple yet powerful tool for breastfeeding moms. It's especially helpful when you need to express milk quickly, whether you're traveling, at work, or just want to store milk for later. Here's the pump. It has an easy-to-grip handle that lets you control the suction, a soft flange that fits gently on your breast, and a detachable container for collecting milk. All parts are made from safe materials and can be sterilized after each use. Now, let's begin. Place the flange over your breast, ensuring the nipple sits right in the center. Then, gently press and release the handle to start pumping. Stay relaxed and let your milk flow naturally. Within a few minutes, you'll have fresh milk ready to feed your baby or store for later use. This pump works quietly and efficiently, making it perfect for daily use. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you use your breast pump with confidence. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment or like below.